Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make poached egg curry. Start by bringing a pot of water to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. A little white vinegar, about 1 tablespoon, helps the egg whites set quickly. Carefully crack each egg into a separate small bowl, then gently slide them into the simmering water. Poach for about 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk, or a little longer for a firmer set. This method ensures beautifully shaped, tender eggs for your curry. Next, let's build the rich curry base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and sauté 1 large, finely chopped onion until it's beautifully golden brown. Then, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in your chosen spices, perhaps 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, cooking them until the oil begins to separate, indicating the flavors have bloomed. Now it's time to deepen those flavors. Add about 1 cup of pureed tomatoes to the pan and cook, stirring occasionally until the mixture thickens and the raw tomato smell disappears. Then, pour in 1 cup of coconut milk or water to achieve your desired consistency. Bring the curry to a gentle simmer, allowing all the ingredients to meld together for at least 10 minutes. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and a pinch of sugar if needed. Finally, the moment to bring it all together. Carefully transfer your perfectly poached eggs into the simmering curry, ensuring they are nestled gently within the sauce. Allow them to warm through for just a minute or two. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro leaves for a burst of freshness and color. Serve your delicious poached egg curry hot with steamed basmati rice or warm naan bread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.